previously.
Hit the boss. Oh, this is narrow. Wow.
This is the Pacific Northwest Motorcycle Association Monkey Wrench race in Lytton, BC. The event was absolutely packed with hundreds of riders that camped out to compete. Let's meet our riders. Me, Spencer, pictured here, just learning I have thumbs. Shane, shown here, doing a wheelie before engines were invented. And Yanick, shown here, peacocking that he was born with an engine.
Come on, go, go, go.
The three Husketeers riding today have 5 cameras running.
Wow. Decent hill climb when you can't see, very difficult. That is a flight. Oh, almost went over the edge. Okay, pay attention. Take care. Take care. Oh.
I make a wrong turn here and a rider gets past. Shane's still eating roost from the riders in front. Yanick scares himself here. Some riders off the trail, and this one saves his day.
Thank you, course organizers. We owe you one. Oh.
Let's see how differently we take this right-hand corner. Shane smooth. Yanick. Handfuls of throttle. Spencer gets stopped by the earth in a hurry.
Ah, come on. Oh, my arms are locking up.
I start to make more and more tired mistakes. Yanick riding the edge of the corners.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh wow. Hit my bar there. Oh man, come on. Tight. Thank you. Bar.
Terrible clutch control. Ugh. Here's a blind corner that one of us crashes at. Can you guess which one?
Whoa, whoa. Holy cow. That was not fun. I don't know when to brake. I don't know when to brake.
Shane only had his rear camera on it, and yes, it was Shane. Let's count the lost positions.
Okay.
Here's a clown show with everyone too tired to stay up on two wheels.
Go ahead.
Quick shout out to International Motorsports where I got my 2023 Husqvarna TE300 Heritage. Leaving this note in so I hit the gym for more future races. Cardio is everything.
I'm exhausted. 1 hour into a 2 hour race. I am done. This is not good.
Fun fact, Yanick hates mud. He's racing a dirt bike, but he hates mud. I almost crashed here shoulder checking. Here's my advice.
So, pro tip, don't shoulder check, just ride faster.
This hurt. Going over 30, my foot pegs caught the mud, my bike comes right to a stop.
Oh, oh, I hit my pegs. Oh, my knee hit the bike. Oh, that's not good. That was not good. Oh, I didn't think it was that deep. Oh, man. Never even ridden out here before. This is wild.
More mud means more surprises. And a crash. AB crossing here.
Oh, wow. Oh, I see this is AB.
Pro tip from the crossing guards for me.
Is there an easy way around the mud? I got very lucky there.
Shane and Yanick just powered through. This blew my mind. I crashed a few times, but I was lucky I didn't get stuck. Yes, I went back and attempted to help this young rider out.
Yeah! You got it!
Lots of riders struggled with this one. No wrong way to ride it. Until I realized I wasn't riding, I was spectating. I think that's the wrong way in a race. Time to get back into the race.
Thank you. Oh. Cool. Oh wow. Where did he find that line? What the hell?
Epic views and interesting lines here.
Oh wow. Look out now. Just don't change lanes. Don't change lanes.
I keep saying don't change lanes because this happened last race when I did.
Steep, steep. No! I'm okay! I think left.
Let's see how Yanick did on his 2 laps. Lap 1. Lap 2. Yeah, lots of people crashed here. Jane eating bushes.
Wow, that's beautiful. I know I'm supposed to be racing, but
I almost go over here.
oh no 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 no. No, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Yanick takes a few wrong turns. Some sketchy edges here. Superman burying the needle, then testing his bladder with these close calls.
Thank you. Thank you.
Awesome race, volunteers making the day.
You're almost home. All right, let's go.
Thank you for all you do.
Oh man. Oh wow.
It's going. It's almost done there, baby.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I don't think those volunteers realize how inspiring that is. That's absolutely inspiring to get a little cheer.
I'm so tired, I'm talking philosophy.
About pushing yourself, becoming a better human, and then respecting those around you. That's why we're here. Yeah, that doesn't look great. Back tire even came up. Oh my. Oh no. You alright, buddy?
Oh yeah.
You got this.
Yanick rides past some campers and leans the bike into these corners. He's flying. Finally the finish. That's 40 kilometers a lap for us B riders, and Shane and Yanick did 2 laps. I did 1 lap.
Thank you.
I did 1 lap and still thought I wasn't going to survive. I think the A riders did almost 90 kilometers a lap. Doesn't seem logical to me, but just epic. Impressive stuff.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please support your local clubs. Shout out to our supporters: Emperor Racing, 613 Motorsports, and Telemetry App Prototyping. You guys are the real MVPs here.